So let's start with another exercise on linear regression. Now here we are going to compare or rather find out the relation between the stock prices and the interest rate, and then on the second where we want to know the interest rate and the unemployment rate. So what is the relation between these two? So let's find out. Let's start our exercise. First, as usual, let us clear our outputs which are there. We can clear that. Then we are going to run it. So this is a linear regression exercise. Then we are going to import the libraries, that is pandas and numpy. Then this is the 2 years data, 2017 and 2016, and these are the months, right from 1 to 12. Now interest rate is given here as mentioned like this for all the 24 months, that means 2017 12 months and 2016 12 months. Then unemployment rate again is provided again for the 24 months, and then the stock prices for the again for 24 months. So this is what our data is. Now this is in the form of various variables which is available, and this has been shifted to df is equal to data frame stock market. Stock market is the complete container where all types of data is available, and then data frame stock market columns are year, month, interest rate and unemployment rate, and then stock index prices, right? So when we run this will be transferred to df, and then we will also print the data frame. So let us do that, and we can see that the year, month, interest rate, unemployment rate, stock, all of them have been printed for the 24 months, right? For 2017 and 2016. Now we are going to transfer it in x-axis and y-axis so that we can do something more on this. So let us do that also by running it. So once we run it, it has done that, and now again we are transferring it so let's import now. Now we are going to create a kind of a scatter plot. So in this matplotlib we are importing now here, and then we can run it. Now again plot scatter, this plt scatter, this means that we are going to have a scatter plot, x-axis and y-axis, that is what we have done here, the data which has been transferred here, x-axis and y-axis, and then title is stock index price versus interest rate, then x label stock index price, y label we are having interest rate, and then when we run it we will have a scatter plot like this, right? So you can see that there is some kind of stability, and then there is a change, then again there is a change here. So that is the title is stock index price versus interest rate, and on y-axis we are having the interest rate, on x-axis we are having the stock index price. So we can, just by looking at this, we can see that how the two are related. From this point to up to this almost 1,000 points of the stock index, it is stable, it is moving in one direction, in this same direction and at the same level. Then from here it changes, and then up to this 1400 it is it is increasing, and then at 1500 it has increased, it has peaked. So that is how we can find out the relation, that how it has progressed in the last whatever period we are considering. Now the next is that from pandas import data frame and stock, again the same data that we are considering, again we can print it, and same data, same records, everything is same. Now we are importing again matplotlib. It is always better, although we have already imported it, no need to import it again, but it is better. Why take chance? Otherwise you will have error and then you will import it. So it is better. Now here we are defining x-axis and y-axis, and on x-axis we are having interest rate, y-axis we are having the unemployment rate, and other data is same. So once we run this, you can see that it has transferred, it has done the job, and now we are going to have the line chart on this. because here we are having the plot interest rate and unemployment rate, and we want to see that how these are related, how things change. So title is a line chart, label is on x-axis interest rate, and on y-axis it is unemployment rate. So when we run it, you can see that we are going to have a line chart like this. So again, on the title is line chart, y-axis we are having unemployment rate, and this interest rate is on the x-axis. So you can again see that from this point to 6.2 it is all vertical, and then there is a change as it is progressing with the time. Where the interest rate is changing, we are saying the unemployment rate is also changing. So this is another very good example to learn it, and just by looking at the graph you will be able to conclude that how things have varied over the different variable or the other variable. Now again we are using the same data, again we are doing it, and we can again run and see that yes, the same data has been printed. Now we are going to again having this x-axis interest rate, y-axis unemployment rate. Doing this, nothing is going to happen in this, but this, now we are going to print the line chart, and then this is the way we are going to have it. So this is between the interest rate and unemployment rate, and this is a scatter plot. Earlier we had the line chart, now we are going to have the scatter plot. That means how it has spread over this against this interest rate, how the employment rate has varied. So this is a scatter plot with the same data, right? So this is how we can establish the relationship between two variables, right? So this is the linear regression. Okay, thank you.